Good morning, one and all. Welcome to the video. My name is Somil Shah, and here is a small course that I'm about to create for you. Basically, as the name says, creating backend REST services with Flask. It's a crash course. So, a little bit information about myself for people who are watching me for the first time. My name is Somil Shah. I'm originally from India, Mumbai. I did my bachelor's in electronic engineering from KJ Somaya, and recently I just graduated with a double master's in electrical engineering and computer engineering. Basically, I love to teach people on YouTube. That's the reason I'm creating this small crash course on creating backend services with Flask. So, what you are about to learn in this course is following basically. So first of all, we'll learn about creating a basic Flask REST API. We'll learn right from scratch creating a virtual environment. We'll create a very basic, Flask REST API. Once we create the Flask REST API, the second thing we'll add HTTP authentication to it so that it's more secure. Once we do that, we would add JWT authentication. So basically, the token would expire after, let's say, 30 minutes or whatever time interval you want to add. Once we're done with that, we'd also add a request method, basically, which would add IP address on the blacklist. That means those IP address won't be able to access your REST API. So a lot of level of security we are adding on the REST API. Once we are done with that, we would dockerize the entire Flask REST API. Basically, we'll do Nginx and WSGI that would do the load balancing of your Flask REST API. Well, I'm very excited to teach you about all of these, and hope you are also excited to learn all of this. So basically, I'm going to be teaching you all of that in this video series. So join me in this small crash course. In the next video would be learning about all of these right from scratch. If you do not know anything, it's completely fine. I would assume I would basically start right from basics. Okay, so hopefully you guys would enjoy this tutorial, and if you do enjoy that, please let me know by doing that in the comment section below. I would try to upload the code by afternoon or by evening today. So thank you so much for watching. Keep smiling, keep coding, and see you guys in the next video.